We have gotten the latest graphics in on what probably will become a tropical storm here over the next couple of days. Now, nothing technically has changed. If you're wondering, well, what is a potential tropical cyclone then? This does cause a lot of confusion. A couple years ago, essentially the Hurricane Center decided to start warning people down the road that, hey, a storm might develop. I don't think it's necessarily a bad idea, but it does kind of get confusing. So what you're looking at is not a storm that currently exists, but one that probably will exist over the next couple of days. So basically think of this as we're giving you a heads up, all right? And this is where a depression will probably form tomorrow. Then it will probably strengthen just enough to become a tropical storm. So that's what I mean when I say nothing's really changed a whole lot in terms of, hey, we said it probably wouldn't be that strong. Hey, it would probably move west-northwestward. However, all the latest data coming in is trending a little bit more northward than due westward. So if this stays too far east, quite honestly, not only would it not change our weather a whole lot here in Tampa Bay, but if it might actually dry us out a little bit by Sunday into Monday. Yeah, on the western side, you can get really dry sometimes on these tropical systems. So there you can see the kind of explosion of showers and storms down in that area. That's not a surprise. There's still a lot of wind shear working against it, kind of coming in from the west, which is why we don't expect this to really deepen rapidly, not like a Dorian situation. Now there's the GFS American model, and I think it initialized really well today. However, I think it's having a hard time down the road displaying where it will move. It's deciding to take it more westward. To tell you the truth, you can even tell by Saturday into Saturday night, look at this, it has it going almost due west into the Gulf. That might happen. It might. But most of the recent output guidance is now trending a little bit farther north. To tell you the truth, the European, it was doing horrible for a couple of days, and all of a sudden today it picked up on it, and now it's trending north. So I think this is more of your path right through here. So that's why I said it's going to have to be something we watch, because let's say the GFS American model is right and it goes more west. Well, that's going to pull a lot of moisture across the state, and so we'll get kind of this squally-like shower activity on and off through the weekend, if that happens. However, now let me show you what happens if the European pans out and if the track pans out, where most of the moisture stays to our east. We wouldn't get that weather. We would actually, if anything, kind of get drier air coming around on the backside, and don't be surprised to see our rain chances go down Sunday into Monday.